Yes.
Daddy,
Yes.
what's the black thing that it puts on the hat?
For what? For this?
No, like the police. Like
Yeah.
they're bad guys.
The handcuffs?
I've been a champ since the beginning. I can't stop winning. I won it with you, July 26, 2002, the birth of my first, my new world, my young king. You helped me come clean. You put me up on things like how to man up, go get it and deal with it, and that's real. But I guess your mother will always feel different since y'all moved out of state. It's like a piece of my heart's missing. I should have made smarter decisions. I should have started listening. Remember when we used to read books on the late night, brushing teeth before you went to sleep in the morning. We play fight. You're the younger Derek. I ain't rich yet, but all the jewels I drop, you'll one day inherit. So eat your peas and carrots. I bought you a jacket, wear it. You got extra, I know you share it. I'm so proud to be your parent, and you ain't even 8 years old, but you got the heart of your pops. Know how to take control, young D-boy.
Alright, I'm gonna get you a sweater. We're gonna go.
I don't want to go.
Yeah, buddy, we're going.
You got a jacket in the car.
Okay.
D-boy.
Are you going?
Yep. Am I going? That's what you mean to say?